Hi guys, and welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some tomato juice together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my tomatoes. I already went ahead and just washed them under some cold running water. And yes, we produce so much tomatoes here in Jamaica this year, and there's a glut on the market, so I got a lot of tomatoes at home and I decided to just make some juice. Now if you find yourself in a similar situation, what you can do, just go ahead and rinse off your tomatoes, and you can always go ahead and chop them up in some small pieces, add them in the fridge in a nice container that will keep them frozen for a long time, or you can just go ahead and make some tomato juice and just freeze it until you're ready to use it. So once I chop up my tomatoes in some small pieces, it's time to go in, add some water to my blender. We're not going to add too much water because yes, the tomato contains a lot of water, so you don't want your juice to be too watery. All right, so once we add the tomatoes, we're going to add a little bit more water, and we're not going to cover the tomatoes completely. And now we're going to go in and just add the cover, and we're going to blend until it is smooth. And you can blend for roughly about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Again, you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. You can always go to your local supermarket, and yes, you will get a lot of tomatoes there as well. Or you can just plant your own tomatoes. So this is what the juice looks like. We're going to go in now and we're going to strain. Just a reminder guys, you will always want to ensure that you strain at least 2 times because you don't want any pulp from the tomato in your juice. You want it to be smooth as possible. And just in case you're wondering what this tastes like, yes, it tastes like fruit punch juice. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. It tastes like fruit punch, and you can always go ahead and add a piece of melon. You can add a piece of pineapple to this. You can add some mangoes, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. Remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. I'm gonna go in and add some ginger extract. You can always go ahead and blend your ginger. If you have ginger at home, you can blend it with the tomatoes. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. I'm gonna go in and also add some lime juice. The lime juice is optional. You can always go ahead and just add the ginger alone. I decided to add it and a little bit of sugar, combine well, sweeten to taste, and this is the final product of my amazing tomato juice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe.